Today, students, we are doing lesson 3 from Akshar Bharati textbook for standard 9th. Beta, मी ऐकतो आहे. This video was made just for you. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe. Before we begin this lesson, children, let us understand what this lesson is about. This lesson is written by Vasanta Purushottam Kale. पाठ परिचय. संगीत कलेवर जीवापाड प्रेम करणारे वडील व अपघातामुळे संगीत सेवेपासून अंतरलेल्या वडिलांचा सौख्यासाठी धडपडणारा मुलगा ह्यांचे भावस्पर्श वर्णन प्रस्तुत पाठात लेखकाने केले आहे. What it means is, in this lesson, the author has given a heartwarming description of a father who loves music but is now deprived of hearing due to an accident, and his son who is pursuing music only to keep his father happy and contented. So come along, children. Then let's read and understand it. तिसरी घंटा घणघणली. Tisri means third, ghanta means bell, and ghangadli is the sound of the bell. It means that the third bell rang. Va means and. Bahirsa samishra. Bahirsa means outside. Samishra means mix. Kolahal means, when there is chaos and confusion, the sound that comes, or mixed sound. Band padla means stopped. उगीचच इकडे तिकडे वळणाऱ्या माना स्टेजच्या दिशेकडे स्थिर झाल्या. मीन्स उगीचच मीन्स विदाउट रिझन. इकडे तिकडे means here and there. वळणाऱ्या means turning. So without any reasons, the people were moving their heads here and there, means just looking here and there. माना means heads. स्टेजच्या दिशेकडे. Now स्टेजच्या दिशेकडे means towards the stage. स्थिर झाल्या means they stopped or stationary towards the stage. It means that here the whole scene is a program, place where the program is going to be conducted, and as soon as the third bell rang, the people who were sitting there, they were just idling their time, looking here and there and talking. So all that sound stopped, and even people turning their heads stopped, and now they started paying attention towards the stage. Let's continue. लोकांचे लक्ष आता आपल्याकडे आहेत ह्याची खात्री वाटताच. लोकांचे means people's, लक्ष means attention. Now आता means now आपल्याकडे आहेत. So their attention is towards us. ह्याची खात्री means to be sure. वाटतातच मी गंभीर आवाजात. So as soon as I felt that now people are observing me or their attention is towards me, मी गंभीर आवाज, गंभीर means serious tone, आवाजात बोलायला सुरुवात केली. So I started speaking. So here the narrator is telling us what exactly happened and when he started speaking. So he began thus, Sabya Sri Purusho. So here we address, when we address the program, so he said, like we say in English, my dear ladies and gentlemen. So that's how he began speaking to the audience. माझ्या वादन विद्यालयाचं. So माझ्या means my, Vadan is an instrument. So here it is a musical instrument. Vidyalaya is a school or maybe an academy. So it is a musical academy. हा पहिलाच जाहीर कार्यक्रम. So he's saying that he is addressing the audience, and he said, my dear ladies and gentlemen, this is my musical school's first program. So जाहीर program, कार्यक्रम. जाहीर means public program आहे. आपल्या चरणी ही कला सादर करताना मला अतिशय आनंद वाटत आहे. So here he's saying, I am placing or putting this forward. Charani means to offer it in your feet. So that is how we say Indians speak. So आपल्या चरणी ही कला सादर करत आहे. कला means the program. Okay. So सादर करताना मला अतिशय आनंद. अतिशय means lot of. आनंद is happiness वाटत आहे. So I'm feeling a great happiness, joy to present this program in front of you. आपण शांतपणाने हा सर्व कार्यक्रमाचा आस्वाद घ्यावा. So he is requesting. So शांतपणे means be silently. सर्व कार्यक्रम. So all. सर्व means all. कार्यक्रम means program. Aswad means to enjoy. Okay. So here he is requesting the audience to be quiet and in a quiet manner enjoy the program that we are going to present to you. अशी आपल्याला नम्र विनंती. So this is my नम्र is humble, विनंती is request करून मी कार्यक्रमाला सुरुवात करतो. So that is how he began addressing the audience, and he says, with this humble request I shall now move forward to start the program. Now the narrator continues and addressing the audience, and he says, आजच्या कार्यक्रमाची सुरुवात शिरीष भागवत याच्या फिडल वादनाने होईल. So he is saying that today's program, आजचा means today's program is going to be started by Shirish Bhagwat, and who is going to play a fiddle. Fiddle vadan. Vadan is an instrument and fiddle is a musical instrument. It's like a violin. So he is telling them that Shirish Bhagwat is going to start the program by playing the fiddle. And या विद्यार्थी means हा विद्यार्थी माझ्या विद्यालयात नुकताच शिकायला आला आहे. So this विद्यार्थी is a student, and he is saying that माझ्या विद्यालयात means in this musical school he has just come. नुकताच means recently he has come to learn. So शिकायला means to learn. He has come. So that is how he is introducing Shirish Bhagwat to the audience. कलेच्या प्रांतातील हा नौका मुसाफिर आहे. So here he is just giving an example of a tourist entering a new place. So that is how he is saying Kalecha. Kalecha means this artistic performance that he is going to give. So in this place he is a nauka. Nauka means newcomer. Musafir is actually a tourist. So he is just giving an example that how a new tourist, he doesn't know anything, so he has to find out things. So in the same way, Shirish is a new person, a newcomer in our musical school over here. So हे लक्षात घेऊन, so he is saying remember this. लक्षात means to remember or to take it in mind. घेऊन आपण त्याच्या हुशारीचे कौतुक करावे. So हुशारीचे means whatever program he is going to play or whatever talent he has. So kautuk means do give an encouragement. So remember that he is a newcomer and he has just started learning. So he is just introducing Shirish Bhagwat to the audience, and he is telling them that just it's a humble request that he is newcomer, and so just encourage him. He vinanti. So vinanti means request. So that is my request to you. एवढे बोलून मी शिरीष कडे पाहिले. So एवढे means this is what I spoke, and then I looked at Shirish. Shirish कडे means towards Shirish. पाहिले means to see. मला ह्या मुलाची अतिशय भीती वाटत होती. So मला means me. So he saying, the narrator is saying that I was getting scared of this little boy. Okay, the student. अतिशय means lot of. भीती वाटत. भीती means to be scared of this boy. खरे सांगायचे म्हणजे माझ्या मनातून मला शिरीषला कार्यक्रम द्यायचाच नव्हता. So he is saying that in my mind actually I didn't want to give Shirish the program, because we know that Shirish is a new student and he has just started to learn. So that is maybe he had this inhibitions, so or not to give Shirish the program. So he had this in mind that I shouldn't give Shirish the program to begin with. Okay, so कारण नुकताच शिकायला लागलेला हा विद्यार्थी माझ्या विद्यालयाचे नाव खराब करेल. So he is saying that he has just started learning, so he may spoil the name of my institute or my school, because if he makes mistake or he makes a blunder or people start laughing, they may have a wrong idea about what is going on in the school, whether their children are learning or not learning. So like they say, the first impression is a lasting impression. So therefore the narrator did not want to give Shirish the first program. म्हणूनच मी त्याला कार्यक्रम देण्याचे टाळत होतो. टाळणे means to avoid. So that is why he felt that Shirish may make some blunder and his school's name may get spoiled. So therefore he was trying to avoid giving the program to Shirish. मी शिरीष कडे पाहिले. So now he is continuing and he is saying that he looked towards Shirish. त्याच्या चेहऱ्यावर धीटपणा व आत्मविश्वास पुरेपूर प्रतिबिंब झाला होता. So धीटपणा means boldness, आत्मविश्वास means confidence, पुरेपूर. Okay, so fulfilled with. Pratibimb means it was reflecting on his face. चेहऱ्यावर means on his face. So he was showing very much confidence and boldness. पण त्याचे हे अवसान फार वेळ राहणार नाही हे मी ओळखून होतो. सो बट द नरेटर फेल्ट दॅट दिस कॉन्फिडन्स अवसान means guts or courage or confidence that he was showing far means a lot of time it was not going to stay. हे मी ओळखून होतो. So this I knew, okay, that he is not going to have this courage. As soon as he will see the audience, all his courage, all his धीटपणा will go off. पडद्यावर जाऊन बाहेरचा शोधून नजरेला पडतातच त्याचा हा धीर सुटेल ह्याची मला खात्री होती. So here he is saying padda means the curtain. As soon as the curtain will go up, shrotrunda means the audience, and he will look at the audience, he will lose all his confidence. So khatri means I was sure about it. शिरीषने खून करताच मी पडदेवाल्याला इशारा केला. So Shirishne khond is signal and ishara, both these words means signal. So as soon as Shirish gave the go ahead, gave the signal that yes, I am ready, so the narrator gave the the signal to the pardewala is the curtain, the person who raises the curtain, they move the lever, so the curtain goes up. So like this both of them did the ishara, and so the curtain started moving up आणि पडदा जर वर गेला. So the curtain started moving up. फुटलाईटचा झगझगीत प्रकाश डोळ्यांवर पडताच, फुटलाईट, there are big lights on the stage, so suddenly the lights were on Shirish, so before that he was behind the curtain, so he couldn't see the lights. So now the curtains went up and suddenly the light flashed on his face. So झगझगीत means too much of brightness. Prakash is brightness. डोळ्यांवर means on his eyes. पडतात शिरीषने डोळे मिटून घेतले. So he closed his eyes. That is what is normal happens with us also. So as soon as there is bright light that enters our eyes, we shut our eyes. So that is what Shirish did. He closed his eyes. त्या प्रकाशाची डोळ्यांना जराशी सवय झाल्यावर शिरीषला संबंध श्रोतवंद दिसला. So as soon as he got used to the bright light, he opened his eyes and now he looked at the audience and he realized that. आणि त्याच क्षणी त्याच्या मनाची झालेली चलबिचल त्याच्या चेहऱ्यावर स्पष्ट दिसू लागली. So as soon as he saw the audience, okay, at that very moment, त्याच क्षणी means that very moment, मनाची means whatever was in his mind, झालेली चलबिचल त्याच्या चेहऱ्यावर स्पष्ट. चलबिचल means that hesitation. So all his nervousness could be seen. चेहऱ्यावर स्पष्ट means clearly दिसू लागली. So we could see that he was now hesitating and he was very nervous. तो गडबडून गेला आहे हे मी ओळखले. So now the narrator realized that he is getting nervous. He cannot understand. He is little confused also. गडबडून means to get confused. गेला आहे हे मी ओळखले. So he could see that clearly. त्याला आता सावरून धरणे शिक्षक ह्या नात्याने माझे कर्तव्य आहे. सावरून means to give him confidence, to console him. So धरणे, so सावरून धरणे शिक्षक या नात्याने. So I am his teacher. So with this relation it is my duty, it is my कर्तव्य, it is my responsibility to take care of him and give him his confidence back. मी तंबोरेवाल्याला व तबलेवाल्याला खुणा केली. So tambora is a musical instrument, it's a big string instrument, and tabla you all know. So खून केली, again he signaled to them to begin. Okay, so as soon as they begin, maybe Shirish will get some confidence. So in that, keeping that in mind, he gave the ishara or the signal to the tamborewala as well as the tablewala. तंबोऱ्याचा धीर गंभीर आवाज घुमू लागला. So the tamborewala, they start their musical notes, so it moves, it vibrates. So that is what he is saying, the धीर गंभीर आवाज घुमू लागला. So it started vibrating and शिरीषने डोळे मिटून कोणाची तरी ध्यान केल्यासारखे दिसले. So Shirish immediately closed his eyes and we could feel that he is reflecting or thinking about, dhyan means to think, to remember somebody, that konachi tari, he did not know whom, so somebody's he was getting that attention of somebody. He was thinking of someone. दिसले व पुन्हा त्याच्या चेहऱ्यावर पूर्वीच्या आत्मविश्वासाने न्हावून निघाला. So again he's saying that as soon as he tried to remember someone and he opened his eyes, so we could see on his face that earlier what confidence he had at the start, that confidence nyavun means he was surrounded or filled with. Nyavun actually means bathe, okay, to bathe, but here it means filled with, okay. Nighala व हलकेच त्याने पडज लावला. So पडज means the musical note, okay, which tells you that he is ready for it, the starting note of anything. So he was playing that fiddle instrument, so he gave that first musical note to to show that he is ready for the program. एका 10 ते 12 वर्षाच्या मुलाने शांतपणे वाजवायला सुरुवात केलेली पाहून लोक शांत बसले. सो ही वॉज 10 ते 12 मीन्स 10 to 12 year old boy. शांतपणाने means so quietly, so gently, so peacefully he is playing. वाजवायला means playing that. सुरुवात केली. सुरुवात means started playing. So when they observed that, केलेले पाहून लोक पण शांत बसले. So all the people were had pin drop silent and they were started observing or paying attention to him. धीमेपणाने शिरीषने भूप रागातील गत वाजवायला सुरुवात केली. सो धीमेपणाने मीन्स व्हेरी जेंटली, व्हेरी स्लोली शिरीषने भूप इज अ म्युझिकल इट्स अ म्युझिकल नोट. सो ही स्टार्टेड रागातील मीन्स रागा, इट इज अ रागा. गत वाजवायला, सो दॅट म्युझिकल नोट ही स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग. तेच ते सुरू, मात्रेचाही फरक नाही. सो he said as soon as he started, he continued playing. And matra means we know, no, when we write we put the kana matra. So when we are writing we at least make some mistake here and there, but that is what he is giving an example, that not a single mistake. Okay, so when we write it, if somebody doesn't make a mistake at all, we are surprised, isn't it? So in the same way here the narrator was also surprised. Okay, not a single mistake of even a single note. तो शांतपणे वाजवू लागला आणि आजपर्यंत बसला नव्हता एवढा धक्का मला बसला. सो शिरीष वॉज प्लेइंग विथ व्हेरी कॉन्फिडेंटली, व्हेरी जेंटली, व्हेरी पीसफुली वाजवू लागला. सो ही वॉज प्लेइंग दॅट म्युझिकल द नोट और द म्युझिक, द फिडल. अँड आजपर्यंत मीन्स टिल टुडे. बसला नव्हता, बसला मीन्स डिड नॉट गेट, ओके, नव्हता एवढा धक्का मीन्स अ शॉक, मला बसला. So I got a shock of my life when I heard Shirish playing. कानावर विश्वास बसेना. So I couldn't trust my ears also. विश्वास बसेना. नजरेवरही बसेना. So नजरेवरही means even my eyesight also I couldn't believe what I was seeing. So that is what he's saying. I couldn't just believe at all my ears as well as my sight. पंचेंद्रिय दगा तर देत नाहीत. So panchetariya, it means over here is the 5 senses. Okay, so all my 5 senses, daga means to betray. Are my 5 senses proper? Am I seeing properly? Am I hearing properly? Am I in my senses? So that is what the narrator felt, and he himself was shocked. अशी शंका मनाला चाटून गेली. So I was surrounded with this doubt कि what is happening? Am I seeing correctly or am I hallucinating? माझ्या जागी तुम्ही असता किंवा आणखी कोणीही असता. So in my place, even if you were there or if someone else would have been there, तरी त्याच्या मनातही तशीच शंका आली असती. So he is saying that even if you, he is talking to us, saying even if you would have been there or if anyone else would have been there at that moment and seeing that such a little boy playing the musical instrument without making a single mistake or getting nervous or anything, playing with confidence, playing peacefully, even you would have doubted your own eyes or yours. What is happening? To check your answers to the textual questions and for free worksheets, please visit our website at www.jkacademypro.com. You'll get the link in the description box below. Do remember to like, share and subscribe.